everyone. This video is going to be filmed over a couple weeks because we're moving and I need to pack up my room. And I already kind of started packing up like my closet. I thought that I'd start the video now, kind of video of my room before I take everything down, and I'll start taking decorations and stuff down. So right now we have these boxes. I have board games, Bitty Baby stuff, and American Girl doll stuff, and those two more board games, and then a pillow because I don't use those pillows. And right now I kind of have this set up, all this decorations. My room's pretty messy, but I have all this stuff. Yeah. So I have to rearrange my room, kind of. Not like totally rearrange it, but I do have to move a couple things so I have more room for boxes and stuff. So I'm probably gonna put my boxes by my closet, and I have a lot of shoes over there that I need to put away. So I'll probably do that right now. It's about 8 o'clock right now, and it's a Monday night right now. So I need to go to bed because, you know, it's school. It's getting really close to the moving date, and I've lived in this house right now my whole entire life, so it's crazy to like pack up and leave and like this isn't gonna be my house anymore. All of the memories. Oh my. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I have so many pictures. The wall is bare now. And then we have all of the boxes right here. This is all of the kitchen stuff, the living room stuff, and then my sister's stuff is in there because her room is too small to put everything in. It's just so weird to like walk around and like there's like nothing on the walls. I don't know, it's weird. But I just put my Polaroids in here in this box, and I'm just going to be putting some other decorations in this box, like my gold thing over my closet, and I have all these jars and things that I can wrap up and put in here. I have some bubble wrap and paper for these glasses that I just cleaned. Okay, so I'm gonna take the gold down now. Okay, so I'm not really sure how to, like, because I threw away what it came in. Oh, wait. Okay. I have to pack this anyway. My grandma got it for me. It's for Christmas. This cute turtle. So I left it in this container, or this package. So I think I might just use this to wrap it around. So I think I'm going to be doing this next. I'll be putting all of this stuff in the box and wrapping it up. To pack. So this is everything that was in that container and on it, and like had some things attached. So I just have to wrap up all this stuff and put it in the box. Hello, it is Sunday, but I got a haircut. I got my sister to cut my hair yesterday. Another box for my Legos that I don't know why I keep them, but I keep them. I have a yoga ball to put away, and then I'm probably gonna put all of these decorations up here, and maybe like a couple random things I find around my room, maybe more closet stuff, maybe shoes. I'm not sure yet. So I have all of this stuff just laying out on my bed. I just kind of went around my room looking for things that I wasn't going to use for the next couple days, and things that I just found that like it would just be easier to pack. So I have like different things like candles, like decorations, cups, my this isn't all my records. These are like records I don't use, and then I have records over here that I do use, but I might pack those up. I'm not quite sure about that yet. And then I have this thing that I think I might put in the bathroom. I'm not 100% where I'm gonna put that, but yeah. So I think I also took my lights down. I took all 4 of my light streams down. So I'm gonna put those on top because I do want to put that's one of the first things I want to put up. I think it'll be easier without everything in my room. So I just have to tape up my box and then I'll be packing that. So yesterday I did a lot more packing. I didn't film it just because I was like kind of like slowly packing things up, doing other things. So I packed up all my record player, all my records, more of this stuff over here, all of this stuff. I don't know if I've showed you that. So it's like really like blank and it's sad. And in my closet, there's like nothing but clothes in there. I have all of these boxes, and this is plus like my mom wanted to put some boxes in my room because I have the biggest room and I have like a lot of room. And then I have all of those boxes. These things are being packed, but I'm leaving these out because if I need to like just fill some boxes, just like with like random things or like something that's like light, I'm gonna use that stuff. Those are just my empty socks, or my mismatched socks. Those are not being packed right now, but I'm just like putting it over there because I don't really know where to put them. This stuff can be packed. This is also one of those things that I'm just gonna put in if I don't have like room for something. So yeah, I am honestly really packed, but oh, wow. It was crazy to sleep last night and just like see that like my room was like empty. I don't know, it was weird. But yeah, I think I'm probably not gonna do some more packing until a couple weeks, honestly, because I think I have like 3-4 more weeks until we move, so probably won't pack any more things until then. So yeah. So we got a moving pod the other day. So all the boxes that were here piling up, they are in the moving pod. And I just have a couple things that I just packed recently. I packed all of my desk stuff. So my room was a mess because like I'm trying to pack stuff but also put stuff in places so I wouldn't forget it. And I have like still all of these boxes that need to go in the pod, so I'm gonna hope to do that today after softball. And yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. So this is gonna be my last like clip of me packing. Right now I have this shelf is down completely. My curtains are actually being washed right now. This is completely empty. This is completely empty. The only clothes I have are these ones, and then all my closet is also basically empty. There's just a couple more things that I have that I'm just kind of like packing like randomly. So yeah, everything is pretty much being packed right now. So I don't know, it's getting so close to the date of us moving. Yeah, we currently, I'll show you the rest of the house. So here in our living room, we have, this is basically what is being put in our pod. We have a pod. We have things, we have things like off our walls right now. Back here, we have our Okay, we can barely see it, but we have our pod out there. And the pile right here is mostly of like everything that needs to go into our pod. But yeah, it's getting so much closer to our date of moving, and we're all super excited. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This will probably be not like a series, but kind of something. I'll probably have a moving in vlog, a decorate with me or something like that. So yeah, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more. Bye!